governor of everybody and everything, Obaseki revealed. Vice Chancellor, University of Benin, Professor Lilian Salami, Edo State Governor Mr. Godwin Obaseki, Secretary to the State Governor Osarodion Ogie Esquire, Edo State Commissioner for Education Honorable Jimo Ijegbai, after a courtesy visit by the management of Uniben at Government House, Benin City. Godwin Obaseki, the governor of Edo State, has described and also declared himself governor of everybody and everything in Edo. He also assured the management of the University of Benin, Uniben, his administration would ensure the university community benefits from the dualization of Ekenhua Road and Osiomo Independent Power Plant project. Obaseki stated this at Government House, Benin during a courtesy visit by management of Uniben led by its Vice Chancellor Professor Lilian Salami, according to a statement by the governor's media aide Crusoe Osagi. He said, I am the governor of everybody and everything in the state, including Uniben. We look forward to collaborate more with you. We are working on Ekenhua Road project, which is now going to make the Ekenhua campus of the university accessible. We are happy we have Uniben in our state, particularly in Benin City. It will not be fair for a government that emphasizes education not to take advantage of the very fact that the institution is in our territory and also in our territory. We are happy we have Uniben. We know how much it has contributed to the educational and social development of our state over the last 4 decades. It does not matter if it is ours, but for the fact that the university owned by the federal government is located here in our state, it gives us a responsibility to make sure we make it part of our existence. We are working very hard to connect 50 megawatts of electricity from Osiomo power plant to the government science and technical college, and some of the power will be extended to Uniben so that you can have an uninterrupted power supply. I am making the whole axis an integrated science and technology hub with a data center. While responding to the request by Uniben Vice Chancellor, Obaseki also revealed the state government had awarded repairs of the road network in the high institution. He said, we will mandate the Edo 2020 National Sport Festival NSF contractor in charge of the hostel renovation to go back to the site. We are beneficiaries of the Federal Fire Service. I am going to make a case for you. I am also going to talk to some of our corporate organizations who are operating here to see if we can support the university with fire trucks. But we are hoping to create a fire service center that people can call when there is a fire outbreak. We have been talking with the University of Benin Teaching Hospital, UBTH, to create an ambulance service for the citizens in the state where you can call an ambulance when the need arises. Thank you for listening to this news. It's okay. It's okay. If all of these things can be kept, it will be very, very okay. It will be very, very okay, perfect. If Obaseki can keep to these promises, why? It will be okay. You see, there is something I believe Obaseki for. I'm not trying to be biased. Obaseki is someone that keeps to his words. Because if you look at his first administration, his first tenure, you will see that he was able to come up with almost 3,000 projects that he has not till date commissioned. That is to tell you that is not a noisy person. He's not a noisy person. He's a man that keep to his words and action, and he do what he says. He doesn't want to be noisy. That's why he just calm down. He wants to finish up the whole work. Had him been, he decided to commission all of those projects, I tell you, he would have gotten more votes than what he even got. Do you understand now? Because the people of Edo will now see that, oh, so this man has been working. So a lot of people never know what he has been doing. That's why they were making all of those noise. That's why they were making all of those noise. Obaseki is a material. He's a material. So I will encourage him to keep to this promise. I will encourage him to keep to this promise he has made to the University of Benin. Because it will even help to promote his position and place his personality on a very good, reputable stage in life. Do you understand now? Okay? So, my viewers, I pay to you and I tell you that all that Obaseki has just promised the university, there is possibility that those things can still be achieved. Do you understand now? There are very big possibility that they can still be achieved. Do you understand? Because there is no doubt that University of Benin has gotten all that it takes to get all of these promises. Do you understand? So, my viewers, you can see what I'm talking about during and after before the election. I said it that the manifestos these people are presenting to me is an empty paper. Not until the manifesto starts taking effect, that is when I will assume and conclude that yes, these people have started doing what they promise. You understand? So, and that is how it should be. You understand? You don't just make a promise and don't keep it. It's an error. It's an error. A promise and fail is not a good thing. All right. So, my viewers, you can see that that the people of Edo State, what they have actually done for themselves by voting in someone based on personality and credibility and accessibility. You can see what I mean. You can see what I've said. You see that? Because if they are voted based on party, I tell you, they will never get all that has just been mentioned by Obaseki. You get what I'm saying? Because before anything will be done, the governor will now need to consult his godfathers. He will now need to consult his godfathers. He will now need to consult those that put him in power. You get it? You see that? That's why it's not good. It's not good. So I really appreciate the people of Edo State for voting wisely and making Edo State to be peaceful as what it is today. So my viewers, I don't know what your comments concerning all that has just been said in labor. Please do well to leave your comment below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as bell button to receive more updates. Thank you.